In this video, I will show you how to get special shop tickets on Pokemon TCG Pocket. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and open Pokemon TCG on your device. Head over to the shop section, and in here, you'll be able to find the daily gifts at the top of your screen. Now, once you scroll down, you'll be able to find special shop tickets. Click on that, and as you can see in here, this is obtainable if you have 300 shop tickets. You can also obtain this by consuming high rarity cards in My Cards. Now, on the special section, you'll be able to spend these special tickets to get special set of cards sleeve, Pokemon coin, playmat, backdrop, cover, and other special sets that you can avail. Now, once you click on that, you're able to view your special shop ticket balance on Pokemon TCG. To be able to obtain this special shop tickets, you'll need to obtain as much shop tickets needed or spend high rarity cards on your cards section. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.